tension inside is a stage show from cold, and the extras behind are tripped from the phone. The veins in your eyes are beginning to pulse, and that heartache behind for me fight becomes a must. Oh, let go the balcony balloons, let them float to the surface of the moon. Let go the balcony balloons, let them fly. A crowd gathered round for the joyous affair, and the lanterns we lit hovered high in the air. For many, a sign of hope. For me, each lie you told, a trickle of rain, the scent of a storm on the way. I huddled in close when I'd rather have strayed. The wisp of a breeze with the hint of despair, the lanterns we lit burning bright in the air. Oh, let go the balcony balloons, let them float to the surface of the moon.